everyone, this is Sachit and welcome back to Beyond Programming. In this video, we will be looking at how to use OR and keywords in if conditions. So let's get started and we will be moving on to our blocks file where we first learned about if conditions and start coding. So till now in if we have seen that we can only put one condition to validate a statement, that whether it's true or it's false. If it's true, then the if block will be executed, and if it is false, then it will look for the elif block, or that is also false, then it will look for else block and execute that code. But what if we want to put two conditions or more conditions? So in that case we use two keywords, any one of them, and or. So one keyword is and, other keyword is or. So we will be looking at the practical usage. So let me first type in some code and then I'll explain you line by line. So we'll just comment out the previous code which we wrote and we will write a new code. So let's say that people get retired at the age of 60, right? So let's write a code that the user will input the age, and if the age is between 18 and 60, then the message printed will be that good luck for the work. And if the age is lower than 18 and greater than 60, then the message will be that enjoy your free time. So let me write the code and then I will explain. So here what we are doing, that we have one if condition. So within that line of code we are having actually two conditions. One condition is if that the age should be greater than 18, and the second condition is that the age should be smaller than 61, and these two conditions are being brought together by and keyword. So we have two options here. One is that we can use and, other is that we can use or. So what is the difference between the two? When we are using the keyword and, we mean that for the if block to execute, both the conditions should be true. If any one of the conditions gets false, then if block won't be executed. Both the conditions have to be true. And when we are using the or, so here we mean that even if any one of the condition is true, then the if block will be executed. So name Sachit, how old are you? 15, and nothing is printed, which means that the if condition which we wrote came out to be false. That is because when we see at the first condition age greater than 18, this condition turned out to be false. So when either of the two conditions came out to be false, then the if block won't be executed. So let me write an else statement, and we write that not have a bad day at work, of course, but we'll write enjoy your free time, right? So now let's execute it again and see. Sachit 15 and enjoy free time. And now if we write age like 20, then it shall print that have a good day at work. Yes, which means that two of the conditions, if any one of them is true and other is also true, then only the if block will be executed. And even if one of them is false, then it will turn out to be true. So using the and keyword, we have to make sure that both the conditions given in the if statement are true, and even if one of them turns out to be false, then the if block won't be executed and the program will move on to the else one. So now we'll write the same program using the or keyword. So let's see how it goes. If age is smaller than 18 or age is greater than 60. So we are just reversing the conditions and using the or statement. So now when the age is smaller than 18 and greater than 60, which means that we are out of the radius of the working condition of the working people, right? So we just have to write enjoy your free time, and when we go to the else block, we have to write have a good day at work. So what's happening here, that we are given two conditions: if age is lower than 18 or the age is greater than 60. So even if one of the conditions is true, then the if block will be executed, and if any one of this is not true and both are false, then it will go to the else block. So let's comment out the upper code and try running it. I'll just skip the name part. So 15, enjoy your free time. And so what happened is that when I gave my age as 15, so it checked that my age is lower than 18. So one condition is true, so it printed out the if block. And now I'll just give a random age 65. So again, enjoy your free time. And if I give the age of 25, then have a good day at work. So when we gave 25, it did not fall in either of the conditions given. It didn't come in this condition and didn't come in this condition. So it went to the else block. So now we know about and or keywords, how to use them. But I want to address one concern here, that when we are using the and keyword, our IDE is giving us a yellow line on the code, which means that something can be fixed here, and it says simplify chain comparison. So what is happening here, that our IDE is suggesting us a change which will make our code better. And what the change is, that these two conditions, the age is greater than 18 and age is smaller than 61, these two can be merged into one condition. So let's see how our IDE is doing that. Yeah, so what it did, that it kept all of the conditions into one condition and merged them, that are that 16 should be smaller than age and age should be smaller than 61. So both the expressions and expressions were merged into one condition. But this same can't be done in or condition, because when we are using or condition, any one can be true, but when we are using and condition, both should be true. So since both should be true, both were merged into one condition. So that's why using chained simplified expressions, it may increase the efficiency of our code. So that's it for this video. I hope you understood how to use and or keywords in if condition and how to use multiple of them. And for more programming videos and content on Python programming, keep watching and make sure to like and subscribe the video. Thank you.
Sometimes I struggle in this place, been in circles several days.